Thank you very much. Thanks for the press. First and foremost, I want to thank God Almighty for this day, and I want to say that I thank His Excellency of the Governor of Abia State for providing leadership at this point in time. I want to equally thank all the leaders of the party who came out in their numbers today during the APC State Caucus meeting to witness this epoch-making occasion. I want to thank them seriously for according the people of Ogun West this opportunity to produce the next government. And I want to from there thank my brothers Honorable Nasir Isiaka, Honorable Isiaq Akunlade. I want to thank them for the role they play for us to have one candidate to represent us in the forthcoming election. I want to say that there is no winner and no loser here. We remain one indivisible entity, and we have all agreed to work together for one purpose. One, for the unity of our senatorial districts, and by extension, for the unity of the people of Ogun State. And we meant that with all sense of purpose and sincerity, because Ogun State is bigger than every one of us. As for what are the intentions? The intentions are clear. This present administration is working very hard to ensure that Ogun State is on a very sound footing, both infrastructurally and economically. And for any sensible person coming on board, you know that you can only but consolidate on the good work of the achievements of this administration and take it to the next level. So for the people of Ogun State, if eventually we emerge from 6, I can tell you that it's going to be a new dawn. And I can tell you that the good work this administration have put in place will consolidate on it and then take everything to the next level. So I sincerely thank the party, the APC, for endorsing me as the consensus gubernatorial candidate of the party. And I can assure you I will not let them down, and I will not let the people of the state down if eventually I come through February 6th. The most important one thing we are here is to see that the entire Ogun West, we are going to speak with one voice. There is not going to be any disunity whatsoever. And we use this opportunity to call on all our supporters to show their soul, and that we are not going to allow anybody to take advantage of this process, to start singing or doing anything that can bring about some disunity among us. So starting from tonight, we remain one indivisible entity, and we are going to speak with one voice from now on till then and beyond, by the grace of God.
Thank you, sir.